to do another update about where we are. So Linda is pointing out the window to show everyone that we have a second floor. So Ernie, last we met, we didn't even have any steel yet, so you want to talk about what we've been doing?
I think since our last update, we didn't have any steel up, so we've since got that erected up and got our deck on the second floor with concrete this last week. And we're working on getting the roof deck on as we speak, and also getting downstairs to getting ready to do concrete on the ground floor.
Okay.
And most of the utilities are all tied in, just finishing up some drainage. The underground sanitary is all in, and as well as the underground for the roof, future roof drains. And yeah, just going forward, the metal, we received some metal studs, which will start the wall framing tomorrow. And that'll start taking shape, getting some windows framed out, getting the sheets started to get closed in.
So when do you estimate roughly we'd be closed in?
I'd say probably be pretty well on our way to being closed in about a month from now.
Okay,
I'd
so
say
before
just
Christmas.
a rough estimate.
Before Christmas.
Yes, that would be ideal.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, so once we are closed in, what happens then?
Well, I'm working on getting a temp heater, so we'll heat the space inside, so nothing else, freezes. We'll start doing the wall framing,
Okay.
all the interior petitions, and before we can do that, we need to get a weather tight. We need to get windows in, get the roof on. So that the roof is one of the major things to get done.
Sure.
As you can see up there, we need to tie in the old slate with our new flat roof.
Right.
That does quite a bit of work because the slate needs to be removed, needs a watertight, and then there's a flat roof that goes into the slate,
Okay.
and that's all gets flashed in.
Yep.
And
And when do you think that might be done?
well, once we get a roof deck on, then people can get up there to start to work.
Right.
So that needs to be done probably in the next 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, wow. That's quick.
Yeah, once we get a roof deck in there, somebody can safely work up there.
Right.
And then they can start removing the slate, and we can start building our flat roof.
Excellent.
Yeah, so that's quite a challenge there in that one. And that basically to get closed in, get heated, and start the inside.
Yeah, it's very impressive how quickly it's happening. A lot of patrons will come in and they're looking out the window and, you feel the excitement. Now, last time we talked, none of this was up, right? You could actually see
Right.
what's going on.
Yeah, that was a big step on Tuesday when we did the concrete on this floor here.
That was impressive.
As we had a stretch of really nice warm weather, and which would allow us not to have to heat that, so it doesn't freeze.
Yeah.
So we were very fortunate to get this slab in.
Yeah, that was a great time. That was perfect.
Oh, yeah.
If only it could continue.
We won't be so lucky.
So Ernie, anything else you want to update us with?
That's pretty much it. Like I said, we're just trying to get weather tight is the most important thing.
Right, absolutely.
So we can start doing both outside and inside at the same time.
Yeah.
And but it's going. I'm hoping to potentially next week to get the ground floor, the concrete.
And I know you were kind of making sure that the interior floors and the exterior floors
Yes.
lined up and everything is in that.
Yes. So the 2
direction.
floors where we have to cut through a door opening there to
Yeah.
go into the, I believe that's the children. No.
That is going to be right now it is, but it's going to
Yeah.
be a genealogy reference.
Correct. So we have one door that's going to go in there, so the floors line up.
Yep.
That was
huge.
you used to know it's right.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, Ernie, thank you very much
All
for
right,
the update.
you're
We'll
welcome.
talk to you next month.
All righty.
All right,
Take
bye.
care.
Thank you.